Hello students, we are still on the construction of angles. I told you that the construction of the angles have the foundation from angle 90 degrees and 60 degrees. So we've learnt how to draw angle 90 and various angles that we can draw that is attached to it. Now we want to learn how to draw angle 60 degrees. To draw your angle 60 degrees, first of all, you draw your horizontal line. Draw your horizontal line. So this is my line. Then you mark the center of the line. When you mark the center of the line, then you pick your compass. You draw a semicircle on this line. The point of the center you have marked, place the pin of your compass there and you draw a semicircle. When you draw this semicircle, now without extending your compass, place the pin of your compass at this point of intersection. You then strike an arc on the semicircle you have drawn. You can see. So the point of intersection of these curves, you now join together with the center. The point of intersection you join together with the center of the circle. Join it together with the center. So this particular angle, if you measure it using your protractor, you realize it will give you angle 60 degrees. It will give you angle 60 degrees. This gives you angle 60 degrees. Now also from there you can also draw angle 30 degrees. It means when you are drawing angle 30 degrees, you are going to bisect angle 60. So follow the procedure. If I want to draw angle 30 degrees, so angle 30 degrees, that is what 60 angle 60 divided by 2 will give me 30 degrees. 60 divided by 2 gives me 30 degrees. So I'll follow the procedure of drawing angle 60. So again, you draw your horizontal line. Draw your horizontal line. Then, without you mark the center of the line. When you mark the center of the line, you now draw your semicircle. You just use it to form a semicircle. That is it. Then, without extending the compass you are using, you place it at this point of intersection. At this point, then you strike an arc on the semicircle you have done. So the point of intersection of the circle, you join it to the center. But you notice that from I want to draw angle 30 degrees. I may not need to join it here because I've got the beginning and end of this angle 60. So this is the beginning. The point of intersection here is the end. So I want to draw angle 30 degrees. So that means I'm going to bisect this particular angle. You pick the radius of any length you want for your compass. You place it at this point of intersection down here. Then you strike an arc. You strike an arc here. Then that's beginning of the angle of 60. At the end here also, you place it at the point of intersection there. You strike another arc. So you now join it to the center. This point of intersection here, you join it with the center. You join it with the center. So when you join it with the center, you now realize that the angle you are having here, will give you angle 30 degrees. So this is angle 30 degrees. That will give you angle 30 degrees. And in mathematics, you must mind it. When you are treating construction, you are not expected to clean the construction lines, because that is what the examiner will use to know that you really constructed the angles, that you didn't use protractor. Because when you are expected to use only your compass and ruler only, you are not expected to use your protractor. That is reason why you'll be given the angles that you can construct. In such situation, you must make sure you leave your construction line for the examiner to really see that you use your compass to draw the angles. Still on the construction of angles, so I want to draw angle 120 degrees. Angle 120 degrees. To draw angle 120 degrees, now it means angle 60 plus angle 60 will give us angle 120 degrees. So I'm still going to follow the procedure of drawing angle 60 degrees. So first of all, you draw your horizontal line. Just make sure you follow it as I'm drawing it. Follow the process, the procedure. You realize that it will not give you any problem. So draw your horizontal line. Then you mark the center of the line you have drawn. You mark the center. Then you draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. When you draw a semicircle, place the pin of your compass at this point of intersection down here. You strike the arc. So that's 60. Again, the point of intersection of this curve and these two curves here, place the pin again at this point also to strike another arc, the other side of the semicircle at this point. Join this center with this point, with the point of intersection there. So you join it together, join the two together. So you have joined it. So you realize that the angle here will give you angle 120 degrees. Angle 120 degrees. The angle here will give you angle 120 degrees. So also you can also draw angle 15 degrees. You can draw angle 15 degrees. So it means you first construct angle 60. Angle 60, when you divide angle 60 into 2, you will get angle 30 degrees. So again, you divide angle 30 into 2, you get angle 15 degrees. So let's see how that will go. Again, you draw your horizontal line. You draw your horizontal line. Then mark the center of the line. Use your compass. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. So the point of intersection, this point, we want to draw, first of all, you draw angle 60. The point of intersection, this point, you strike an arc. So this is the beginning, this is the end of angle 60. So I'm going to bisect this one. That means divide it into 2. So again, you place the pin of your compass here, you strike the arc here. Again, you place the pin of your compass at this point of intersection, you strike another arc. So the point of intersection here, you join it together with the center. This gives you angle 30 degrees. You are having angle 30 degrees here. So this angle 30 degrees, that means you are going to divide it again into 2 to have angle 15 degrees. So this is the beginning of the angle, this is the end of the angle. You place your compass at this point of the intersection here. You strike the arc. So then again you place it at the point of intersection up here also. You strike another arc. The points of intersection at this point, you join it together with the center of the circle. So you realize that what? The angle here, down here will give you angle 15 degrees. This one here also will give you angle 15 degrees. So that's how to draw angle 15 degrees. You can also be told to draw angle 150. For angle 150, it means that when you get this 150 is what? 120 plus 30. So if you have drawn this angle 120 degrees, this remaining part which should give you angle 60, if I set it into 2, you realize that what? This one will now join it together with the one up here. So you should be able to draw. With that, you get angle 150 degrees. I hope by now you should be able to draw all these selected angles. They have their foundation in angle from taking their foundation from angle 90 degrees and angle 60 degrees. So it depends on the addition and subtraction of these various angles to be able to get the construction angles you are expected to draw. Just make sure you follow the process, the procedure I've given you. Try it several times to be able to get how to draw the various angles. Thank you.